Down here! Now I've got a project coming up where I've got to eat a lot of salad. And chopping up salad is a fool's game. There has to be a better way. Also, if you're not subscribed, click subscribe. Because if you're interested in this video and project, you'll like all my others. And it's only a click. Things I do for an intro, eh? Okay, this is my plan. I'm going to have like a circle of doom around my body of which to torment the salad. So, this is my proposal. We're going to have like a belt thing, and it's going to be like a belt of knives. So they'll be hanging down a little bit like a grass skirt. It'll be motorised, and you'll turn it on, they'll fling out, and then you just merely drop the salad through the spinning blades, chopped up onto the plate, bosh! Yes, so, somewhere in this shed, I have some strips of metal. We're going to make a little belt. We're going to make a bearing. It's going to have a motor. It's going to have a switch on it. It's going to be blooming awesome, you salad chopping fools! Ha ha ha! Oh, wait a minute. I've got a tool I can do this with. What a machine! Of course, I am not a circle, am I? I'm an oval. You need somewhere to start, Mr. Furze? It's kind of going to sit around there. Now I need to make like a little thing that's going to go around on some bearings, which is going to swoosh swoosh. We can attach our knives to. Right, so I've got my plate. Now what I'm going to do to mount my knives on it, I'm going to get a bit of strip like this and then a thinner bit. I'm going to roll it round it and then we'll make kind of like a ridge in the middle for the bearing to sit in so it can't wobble on and off. Well, it did work nicely, but it doesn't anymore. I think I've obviously warped something while I've been welding it. It's got a big stiff spot in it somewhere. Oh, I see. My bits of metal get too close together and pinch the bearing. Right, I'm going to file that out, and you're going to push subscribe! Hey! It didn't work again. No, I'm about to make another one. So, instead of the bearings going in a groove, they now go either side of a strip of metal. And I used a little bit of Lego as a welding spacer. So then, this works, it spins. That's all good. All we need now is a motor to spin it. I have my motor! Same one I used on the two-stroke chainsaw. I think it's just the most appropriate one I have in the shed at the moment. Now, put this little hole in here in preparation for this motor. So we'll shove that up there, bolt it down, and now I'm just going to make a wheel with like an O-ring or something that can rub against this and send it round. And if that doesn't work, we can always weld a bit of chain round and put a sprocket on it.
Sleep with your friends.
Righty ho, we have a motor connected. Let us put the battery on it and see what it does. Can't remember how fast these things spin. Might go a bit mental. It might turn around very slowly and you look at it and go, it's rubbish, Colin. Do you know what? I'll go so far as to say that's blooming perfect! Apart from if you take the cable with you. Look at it! Nice! Right, I'm gonna film a close-up of that now for you. Okay, we need some knives. After a shorty. I love a shorty. Right then, I've got loads of these kitchen carving knives. So we'll get all these out of the packet. But if only I had something sharp of which to remove it from its packet. Oh, I've got shorties just here. And look, I've got bourbons over here. It's biscuit heaven in here today, mate. Biscuit heaven. Right, there's Mr. Right, there we are. That should do. Now we need to attach them somehow to our ring. And what I'm thinking is just have little simple hinges, so when it starts to spin round, they can fling out. But just bolting that to that is a little bit crude, very un-Colin Furze channel like. So I think what we'll do, we'll trim it down so it fits the hinge more, so it goes like that. And then this has got like a plastic handle, which is all funny shape, but there's a nice straight bit of stainless running through it. So I think if we can expose that, we might be able to weld or bolt straight onto that, and if not, we'll make a little plate. That is what we will do.
Can you feel that thing that's inside your head? Rolling round in there, fluid semi-biotic. Can you feel that stuff that's inside your head? Is it what you think? Feeling hip in the garden? Will you take that jump? Will you take that risk? If you feel so cold, you might slip like this. Well, tell me now, I know I exist. Can you feel me now? Are you feeling this? Can you see that thing that's inside that screen? Is it what it seems? Is it what
Subscribe!
Can you hear that noise? This between your ears, from beyond the grave. Well, it isn't magic, is it Uncle Stan? Is he at it again? Phone plates and walls, and his catches a friend. Well, tell me now, I know I exist. Can you feel me now? Are you feeling this?
Look at that! You know when you look at something you think, you know, as an idea in my head, it was a good idea, and then it's physically in front of you and you're like, not so sure about that now. Oh yes! Lovely blue and red paint job, Colin. You've moved the switch, you've tucked the electrics up there very nicely. Now then, Mr. Surrogate Furze, with your trendy eyebrows and your boobies, need to get it off you and stick it on moi. His legs get, stab my leg again. Right, shove you down there. Took the old tyre. Yes! Right, let's see what it's like, Mr. Salad Chopping Machine. Oh my lord! If that looks anything like what I can see, that's brilliant! It's like... Okay, I've got various bits of salad. I've got a plate. We've got a spinning belt of knives. Can I assist my salad making dream? Alright, first up, your cucumber. Here we go. No, that's never gonna get on with it. Oh, look at that! That could not work any better! Jamie Oliver, in your face, boy! The lettuce! Very nice. It could just be anything! Oh, yes! I'm sorry, you may think this is stupid, but it works! Look, that is like perfect salad! Yes, it makes a little bit of a mess. Surely the benefits outweigh the non-benefits. Yeah, to take it! Easy! I got my spinning belt of knives. What's the saying? Something since sliced bread. Well, yes! Beautiful. Beautiful slices of bread. Now this thing, of course, is an excellent salad chopper. But it could also stop people getting in your personal space. You know, when people like get right up close to you, mostly people or people. Anyway, I will demonstrate. Frank, keep your distance. Right, that's it. Ow. think we'll stick to salad. And there we have my spinning belt of knives. Now come on, subscribe. If you like this, you'll like my other projects. There's 2 links at the end of the video. We've got awesome and crazy inventions like this one, and we've got epic vehicles, because I've made some pretty crazy stuff. Hover bikes, jet bikes, you name it. See you in the next one.
Well, I don't feel it anymore. Are you feeling this?